ফেনবিলাক লগতে চাউণ্ডটো ভাল হ'ব। এই ফেনবিলাক নাথাকিলে ফেনবিলাক নালাগেও তাতে। Respected Principal Sir, respected Duty Colleague Sir, respected Vice Principal Sir, and respected teachers. Actually, it is really a very great challenge to talk to the teachers. But please take it. I'm out of English with the koi thakim, karon mor hobby etu. Is NEP and all my presenters will find that one has to be student first. Teacher, we have to be teacher, but student first. And I am trying to be student now, because I want to learn from my own mistakes while recording it, and to develop myself while recording it. And all teachers, there may be one teacher who can speak better than me. It's possible, quite possible. But since I have been given this responsibility, so I'm doing it. But don't think I'm a teacher to these teachers. We shall discuss. First we shall present, I shall present for some time. And then, as Sir said, we shall be discussing our common problems, and we shall be learning something from our discussion. So this is, I've given it modern teaching methodology, and some of the slides will be common to the other presentation with the students, because some are very much common with the teachers and students. So some slides may be common, one or two, but you need it. And once again, please don't think I'm a teacher teaching you. I am one of yourself at par, and we shall be discussing. But someone has to just raise the points. That's why I'm doing it. Research-based teaching technology, teaching techniques. What is it? We all teach, but in modern days, some necessity of doing some research also. I'm going very briefly here. Total presentation will be very brief one, but we shall definitely discuss. So I have made it research. Okay. I'll be taking, no. Let it be. I'll be using from here. So research-based teaching techniques. What does it mean? Everybody can teach, everybody is teacher. In one more slide is there, you'll find who is a teacher, who is not a teacher. I'll show you. Who is a teacher, who is not a teacher. Culture sir said that he learns from his driver. Driver to both upor manu. We learn from anybody and everybody is a teacher from that point of view. But we are a formal teacher in some institution. So for this formal teacher, everybody see once you are in the teaching platform, 60% duty is over, 60% program is over. Once you are appointed or you are teaching a group of students, 60% हो जाए, तब पिछले 40% of करने we want to do something new, something extra, something research, and some methodology, which methodology has come from different, as I told you in the earlier presentation, that in 1913, Macaulay was given the responsibility of making an education policy in India, and he was given that responsibility that you make the education policy just like you are making some clerks of India. They will be thinking like English, looking like Indian, thinking like English, and destroy their culture. Root is the most important thing. If you destroy the culture of a country, and you do it, it will be very good for us, very convenient for us to rule the country. And that 2013 education policy ultimately passed in 2034, and it continued even after getting independence. We are still under that up to 1968. And in 1968, again one policy came, and it again changed it from Indian government, again in 1986, new education policy. And then 1994 some revision, and so many years, 94 to 2020. কিমান বছর হয় 94 to 2020 কিমান বছর হয় anybody 94 to 2020 23 okay around that. কিন্তু বেসিক্যালি 1986 পৰা কিমান হয় 1986 পৰা 2020 কিমান হয় yes 1986 94 to বেছি নকো 1986 policy 94 of revision all of কিবা আৰু so 1986 to 2020 34 years This 34 years new education policy was there. কোনো policy বেয়া নহয়, কিন্তু it has been found that some defects are still there. এই কারণে নতুন policy আহি গৈছে. It's a matter of innovation every time, and new education policies come, NEPs are talked about it. মই সেইটোত বেছ কৰি আৰু নিজৰ থিংকিং আৰু কিছুমান বেলেগে কেনেকৈ কৰে সেইটো লৈ পেলাই মই এটা প্ৰেজেণ্টেশ্যন বনাইছোঁ. So let's go ahead. See, let's just remember, I'm not teaching you. The manifestation of perfection already in man. Already, it is already আছেটোকে উলিয়াই ল'ব লাগে. That's education, according to Vivekananda. মই এটি এলাবোৰেট কৰিব দৰকাৰ নাই. Is a manifestation of the perfection already in man. তার মানে আমার নজর আছে already perfection too. I told the students that there are two words. One is dis, another is cover. Dis, there is dis, মানে something negative. Suppose I told the students, belief, disbelief, trust, distrust. Dis মানে opposite হয়ে যায় ইংলিশত. তো cover, discover. এই যে মই cover করে দিলো, discover. I see so many things inside. You can just say, আমার ভিতরে সব আছে, all powers are there, all perfection is there. इसको discover करो, निकालो. Discover খুলে দিয়া. তো discover শব্দটি ইমান ধুনীয়াকে কৈছে. We all know what is discover. So he said this way, discover, how it came. Cover is there, उसको हटा दो, निकालो, अंदर से. So each man, each student, each of us are noble, are divine. We have lots of capacity, say we can do each and everything. Now written it, who is a teacher, who is not a teacher? Answer this or not? It's a fact that from one point of view, who is a teacher? That everybody is a teacher. Who is your first teacher? Any young teacher? কোন to first teacher কোন? Mother. সবথেকে বেশি আমি শিখো. Mother first teacher. তার mother father. তার পিছতে আমি আহি যাও, ওলাই আহি যাও. Parents barrier উপরে. Come out of the parents barrier and come to we all. See the responsibility. কিমান রেসপন্সিবিলিটি আমার মাঝে দিতেছে. So that responsibility কারণে we need new methodology. How best we can do it? How best? আৰু কিমান পাৰি? গভর্নমেন্টও কৰিব পলিসি আৰু আমিও কৰিম. তাৰ পিছতো আমাৰ নিজৰ কিছুমান ইনোভেশন থাকে. And who is not a teacher? Everybody is a teacher. That is, everybody is a teacher. We believe. Student হলে বেশি করবেন, টিচারক মই বেশিকে এতে কোয়া দরকার নাই. So teacher is just making something funny. All of you will be liking, and most of you may know it also. Eta follow pora. Itu my right study itu ase. Itu when I was studying in class 6, 7, one of my uncle told what a teacher should be. Because I started my teaching, you also might have started. I started my teaching from class 6, and I started teaching for hunger. Because I used to teach a student to class 5 when I was in class 6, and I taught him. His name was Shankar. I still remember the Shankar. His name was Shankar in tea garden. I taught him the spelling of cat, bat, book, dog, BR like that, and I got half kg atta per week. That is my teaching style. My starting point in class 6. So I just claim to be a teacher from class 6. In other way, all of you are maybe teachers somewhere or other before joining this job also. Then I took another student. Her name was Bandana, a tea garden laborer's daughter, and that person used to give me 2 rupees per week. That red color rupee. So that way I started my teaching, and I am doing now. So that uncle said me, teacher, T for talented. No, left side. T for tactful, and E for educated. Naturally, you have to be tactful, you have to be educated, and you have to be artistic. Artistic, and you have to be having good character. More colors, don't smoke. Come on, goyei mari dilu smoking. Don't do yoga, and nije no kolu. Teneke mane kotha bilak jase. And you know Hazrat Muhammad Gulf, all of you know. Someone went to him, मेरा बच्चा ज़्यादा वो खेजूर ना गुड़ की बात है ना कि बात कर कैसे? मैं कह रहा हूँ, you come after 1 week. Then the guardian again went after 1 week to Hazrat Muhammad, and he said, बच्चा माथे बोले कैसे? Don't eat खेजूर ना गुड़ में पालो दे गल्प तो एक ही दुटे गुड़ मिठाई बोले भाल. So, तुम्हें मिठाई ना खावा. बच्चा तो एरी ले लाइफ लो. तो then that guardian asked Hazrat Muhammad, अरे ये तो आप पहले बोल सकते थे ना, 1 week back. But you told now. उस दिन बोल सकते थे. तो नहीं, I am addicted to mithai. I took 1 year to give it up, and then I had the moral right to tell him. And see, I had told him, and he has given up. যদি মই এৰি নিদিওঁ কিয় এৰি নিদিব ৱেন মই শ্লাইডবিলাক এনেকৈ অলপ অলপ দেখাম মই শ্লাইডৰ মতে নাযাওঁ মই যিটো মনত আহি আছে এনেকৈ গৈ থাকিম শ্লাইড কাভাৰ যিটো শ্লাইডটো সেইটো আহি যায় মই ক্লিক কৰি উৰাই দিম এইটো ঠিক আছে মানে শ্লাইড চাইড যে কোৱা এইটো একদম বহুত বেয়া লাগিলে কিবা এইটো নাথাকিলেও ভাল নালাগে যেতিয়া ইন 1892তে ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিছে 1893 he went to Chicago who Swami Vivekananda Chicago he went to join a particular religious world parliamentary religion then he found that he did not have the recommendation letter because all of you attend the seminar ago register korbo lage paper pothabo lage acceptance aibo lage he had nothing like that ki kono ki na September 1st week of 1893 he was 30 years old bacha 30 years old so 1893 first week of September all were closed at that time office were closed world parliament relation office closed and he eta buddhi khelale paisa nai ঠিক কলে তেখেতে মই হি কৈছে ডোন্ট মাইন্ড ইট ইয়ত আমাৰ ভিতৰৰ মানুহ বিবেকানন্দ তেখেতে ক'লে এটা বুদ্ধি কৰোঁ চিকাগোটো বহুত কষ্টলি হয় যেনেকৈ গুৱাহাটী বহুত কষ্টলি আমি হোজাই আহি থাকোঁ কম হোটেলত পাওঁ তেনে ক'লে বষ্টন গুচি যাওঁ হি ৱেণ্ট টু বষ্টন বষ্টন কষ্টলি নহয় বেছি বষ্টন যেনে গৈ 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 এটা মানুহ লগ পালে হি মেট এ পাৰ্চন এণ্ড টক টু হিম এণ্ড দেট পাৰ্চন ৱাজ জন ৰাইট এণ্ড জন ৰাইট ৱাজ এ প্ৰফেছৰ অফ হাৰ্ভাৰ্ড ইউনিভাৰ্চিটি এণ্ড হি টল্ড জন ৰাইট sir I come from India and my purpose is to join the world parliamentary religion I want to join but I don't have any recommendation nothing and John Wright was a very kind person he said you do one thing who you are I don't know what you know I don't know what you lecture I don't know but you please do one thing you come to Harvard and talk to my students of graduation so Narendranath went to Swami Vivekananda went he did not become Swami Vivekananda he went to Harvard University to talk to the graduate students and he said, I am very glad that you have given me this opportunity to meet the students. And students said, we are very glad that we have got such a person who teaches what he does himself. What he does himself. নিজে যেটা করে হিটু খায় আর যেটা নিজে করে হিটু খায় মই যদি স্মোক ডোন্ট স্মোক আর মই যদি স্মোক করলে হবো মই যদি স্মোক করলাম ফর স্মোক ইটস ভেরি গুড এজ এ টিচার মই যদি জিম করলে মই ডু জিম আই উইল বি ডুইং যোগা গুড আই উইল বি ডুইং at par that thing so Harvard students loved him only because he practiced what he did there John Wright said you don't need any certificate or recommendation from anyone else because the sun does not need any recommendation to give light in the heaven so that's a story only that's a good teacher so this tactful educated artistic character honesty efficiency and rightfulness these things are one explanation from this side and this side one more talented hobo lagibo educated adorable hobo lagibo charming helpful hobo lagibo encouraging and responsible two way of explanation what the teacher should be you can also make lot of things about it and now the question what is teaching exactly what is teaching the formal teaching informally we can do a lot of things what is teaching formally in college institution or university see I have jotted more echo nijo bostu noy I have just collected it from some sources It's an engagement with the learners. Very beautiful thing. Teaching is an engagement with the learner. Engagement, just engagement. And after you get engaged, a lot of things will come out from that. How? In what term? You have to give knowledge, concepts and process. These things are there. Engagement with student. I'm teaching. I'm very good lecturer. I love to lecture. I'm very efficient. Student may not like my lecture. And I'm not carrying it coming to class, lecture this today and my man. Bohila lage say, this is a good teacher, I know. I have got some teachers, very good teacher, brilliant. My teacher kora nai, criticize to Vivekananda Ramakrishna Ghosh. And my criticize kora nai dia. I got very good teachers somewhere. I didn't understand anything, and they are very good. Bahut na, moi ko bujha nai. And that person did not care whether I understood or not. Criticize kora nai, kintu eta ahi ase. And it includes design. You must have some design. You have to complete within the allotted time, within the allotted class or syllabus semester. And content selection should be good. Content selection. I have found some teachers. You can say, sir, why are you taking this? We also know. And on what basis you are taking this? One basis I have taken it from different sources. And why I am using this, I have got some teachers. Somewhere. They tell don't smoke and they smoke. They don't take wine and they take wine. And when they go to class, you have to, I'll be telling you about some creative teaching today. I talked about creative learning, I will take creative teaching. So when you do creative teaching, you take other help also, about from outside your topic, others, lower, example. So some teachers, they take the example and lose the topic. Even this should not be. See, content selection, delivery, assessment and reflection. Just looking at your students, you understand the satisfaction how you're looking at you. And you can understand बहुत ভাল লাগিছে যেটো pleasure যেটো forget about salary point of view because this session is not for salary but and the modern teaching technology I searched to some extent when sir gave me this topic I did some little bit of research and when I researched I found that this is available in old mythologies and all these things. You cannot give up for 7,000, 8,000, 10,000 civilization. We cannot cut up that what Macaulay wanted to do, English want to do, and they cut up the root. We are out of the root and we lost a lot of things. So when you go to the root, you find the track, root katole ekoi korbo nwari. So ancient Ptolemy keep out. We get this. Even I told the students also. Such a beautiful. Even I made a YouTube video on this particular sloka. Gave in Jojo Veda in Veda at a sloka to us. And I'm like, why should we learn? This thing, Sanskrit, and why should we learn these things now? We should know our topic nicely. Yes, we should know our topic nicely. But sometimes you see the relation, how beautifully they have given, and you cannot ignore this. Om Shahana Bhavatu, Shahana Bhunaktu Shahabhijjan Karabhavai, Tejasvi Navadhitamastuma, Vidvishabhai. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Everybody knows it. Everybody knows it. I'm not teaching you. But you see the relation. We are praying, mentally we are praying to the Almighty that both the teachers and the students should be equally getting the energy, whatever. And whenever you are teaching, I told the student that day, I am teaching you are getting benefit. Do you think I don't get benefit? I am also getting benefit. I am doing here, whatever I am doing, I am getting lot of benefits from this. Here. Because I have studied few days and from your comments I will learn a lot of things. So teacher and student what will be Guru Shishya, and it will say, Om, may God protect both teacher and student. May He nourish us together. May we work together with great energy. May our studies be enlightening. May there be no hate among us. Om Shanti, everywhere should be peace. The moment you get everywhere is peace, and then you can do. Without peace, we cannot do anything. In the morning, I discussed with the students. I started my class with some 30-second meditation. I captured my mind. I do in my college also. I 30-second meditation. I did it. I'm not doing with you now. I may be at most sharing my last session's video with you. I'll be sharing in YouTube sometimes. So I do 30-second meditation. First I do it in the class. Even principal sir does it. So that meditation, what helps, mind becomes cool and then give that. I do that way. My students, see, I love my lecture, but my students do not always. If this is the case, are you not having responsibility? Are we not having responsibility? Class kori ahi golo student ki bujana. Moi no ki kore? Moi bahut pleasure paise. Eko gadha buji na paye. They don't understand anything. Iman buje se taught so much, so many days and telling every time. They don't understand. So bad. They're coming from a bad area. They're coming from a noko aro. Enike koi mane kono culture family pura hana. Enike kisman koi de. You should not, because Vivekananda says that each soul is divine. Each soul. If you cannot ignite, then useless being a teacher. So there's a very important thing. I got it from someone of USA. He said it's a beautiful dialogue. You are a teacher. You have two options. See the two beautiful options. Beautiful options. Modern technology wants this. You choose anyone. Either you become guide by the side or sage on the stage. Guide by the side. Om Shahana Bhujittu Heitui Kuise. Guide by the side. I am a guide by the side of the students. Ek logot kori. Kiman hazar 7th years back amar culture koise. American ejon lecturer etu kumen bhuli naam to ihu to parso. So you are a guide by the side or sage on the stage. Stage on bohi asu muke kono bhuli pare. Our students are afraid of me. And I have created such a, from my practical experience, such a barrier. The students are afraid of talking to me, asking me a question. But this is a great benefit for me. You are jana, just student bila ke jo pura account se hude, I'll be in trouble. So it creates such a situation. Don't ask me. কি কৈছা কি বুজিছা বুজি পোৱা নাই কথা হ'ল নেকি এনেকৈ এটা ভাৱ দি দিলোঁ ক্লাছত গৰম and students why students should be afraid of a teacher the next to parents are you afraid of a mother no father no next to parents and I am treating this a criminal simple you believe me you I support me don't support me this is a teacher criminal and in such a situation students cannot ask me anything it's not here মানে কোবাৰ যদি আছে মই পাইছো this should not be you become guide by the side not only sage in the stage if certain things sage in the stage ho pare je you cannot ask anything I give the perception and then you ask me free that freeness is not there then we cannot be and this is also you go by anything you will finding these things are there it's not that you are teaching only your subject along with your subject you take help from other things also other things example in the morning I sang how debit credit should be taught like that anyway that's a relation so teacher shifting teacher-centric class to student-centric class. NEP wants it, modern methodology wants it. It does not mean you give everything to students, you set a question, confidential, give it to them. No, I'm not saying that. There is a limit. At that point, I don't know anything. But without that, setting question and doing it confidentially, keeping it, but in other things I can be free to them. You remember when you are a 1-year-old child, just remember, a few days back also, even some teachers also sometimes misunderstand me. Why? There's certain points I mix with the students. Not with the questions and confidential, but other things I mix. I want that they should not be afraid with me. They're my friends. I want to sit side by the guide as a side, by the side. Now, you see, suppose you are a 1-year child, remember that time, what your mother used to do, or those your mother or parents, what you do with your child, your mother is to give you food, without food you shall not live, you shall die. So food, education, let go. But what else she used to do, remember, around 30 seconds meditation, please, go to your mother 25, 30, 40 years back. She used to sing with you, she used to dance with you, right? She used to play with you cricket, your father or mother, think. And that nourished you, the greatest gurus, first gurus. So why can't we do with our students? What's the problem if I sing with my students, if I know singing? What's the problem if I dance with my students, if I know dancing? What is the problem if I play with the students, if I am a player? Whatever I do, beyond the class, why not? Can I do it? So that is the thing, student-centric class, this is modern things. Remember, you cannot beat a student just mari dilu aru. Both cases say they don't have relation with the good relation student. Students have some mistake, suppose and ko back mari dilu. Supreme Court is there. Corporal punishment no hobo. No. I said so. This is coming to creative teaching. This is a very good concept. Please, I have kept it a little bit, and all of you please study if you have not. What is creative teaching? And it is not limited to certain particular examples only. Lots of things there in creative teaching. And I converted creative learning, shared with the students. I told them creative learning, and I shared with the creative teaching. You can even write research papers on that. Creative teaching. You can hold a seminar in this institution about creative teaching only. And remember, whatever your education, that is not a SARSIC, PhD, Kiba, no, nothing end. Much beyond. When you say in English, je aro limit, ki koi English question? Sky is not the limit, let me say. No, sky is the limit. Sky is not the limit. Even sky is not the limit. In education, what will be? So creative teaching, let me talk a few minutes. Here in it, we give the students choice. We shall see whether education council is doing or not. NEP is suggesting these things. And before NEP also these things are there. It's not that NEP has done something new which was never there. NEP has started everything in the old Gurukul system. You start NEP, national education, you will find all other things, the old things are coming back. Root. So choice, you have to give choice to the students. Sometimes. It may not be possible in every class, but SAR has introduced a project in HS, first and second year. And give the choice. Will you take any topic? SAR, you have given project. They newly introduced this thing, you all know. So give them choice, you take any topic, go to any institution and collect data. This is choice given. In other section we can give choice. And limit nine. Collaboration. Not only one student, you give some students, you collaborate the students. All these NEP are saying in some other language. Or collaborate with the village people, community people. You know, I went to deliver lecture in some Kochi, in some management institution some years back. So what they do, what even Christ College of Bangalore, what they do, sir, they send their MBA students to the villages and study and collect and understand and do this way. That collection. When JRD Tata, you know, JRD Tata, what will be the package size of Amul like that, some product, then he said in the meeting, see what India says, means what the people says. Get collaborated with them. That collaboration, বিভিন্ন ভাবে হব পাৰে মই এক্সাম্পল দিছো আৰু ক্ৰিয়েটিভ থিংকিং মই দুনিয়া বস্তু একটা শেয়াৰ কৰোঁ মই বিকম দ্যাট ইজ ষ্টুডেণ্ট নহয় টিচাৰ ফ্ৰেণ্ডছ এইখন শেয়াৰ কৰিব পাৰোঁ মজা কৰিব পাৰোঁ কিন্তু ফান অফ ইট স্যার মই বহুত ডিবেটৰ কাৰণে পাগলা আছিলোঁ ক্লাছ 5তে মোক দিছিল ছাত্ৰানা অধ্যয়ন ডিবেট কৰা মই একো নাজানো আৰু কিবা লিখি দিছে কম্পিউটাৰ মেমৰি এণ্ড ডেলিভাৰ এণ্ড দ্যাট ডিবেট টু সোমাই গ'ল এণ্ড দেন ক্লাছ 9ত আই বিকেম ডিবেটিং সেক্রেটারি অফ মাই স্কুল and then GC College I became debating secretary by election. Then I was so proud. You give me any topic I can debate. And I came as a student to Kuita, Kumbu Bondu Bilako. And Demalekaro, you give me it. Then one day, a student, Mukosi, I mean, debate with Keliasulu. We should play debate. Not with teachers, all the students. And this person came now, Pradip Pal, even all his friends used to do this. So I went to the stage. Okay, we shall give you one topic to debate against it. It's okay, give. Motate Gusu. তো কৈছে মোক কেনেকৈ কৈছে ঠিক আছে ইউ শ্যাল ডিবেট অন দ্য টপিক এগেইনষ্ট ইট দ্য সান রাইজেস ইন দ্য ইস্ট এগেইনষ্ট ক'ব লাগে ঠিক আছে মই টপিক দিছে মই ক'লোঁ এইটো মোক সঁচালে মইতো খুব অহংকাৰী যে মই যিকোনো ডিবেট কৰিব পাৰোঁ এইটো জাষ্ট শ্বেয়াৰ কৰি আছোঁ সান ৰাইজেস ইন দ্য ইস্ট ইউ হেভ টু ডিবেট এগেইনষ্ট ইট জাষ্ট 30-20 সেকেন্ড পিছত ইয়েছ আই টেক ইট আই ডিবেট এগেইনষ্ট ইট এনেকৈ পৰিয়াল থাকি নহয় মই গৈছোঁ মই ডিবেট কৰি আছোঁ দেই বিকমৰ ৰেচপেক্টেড মিষ্টাৰ স্পিকাৰ ছাৰ তোমালোকে কলেজত ডিবেট হয়নে ষ্টুডেণ্ট তোমালোকে কৰাবা অল আৰ জুনিয়ৰ তুমি কৈছোঁ বাইদেউ অলপ লগৰ হ'ব আচ্ছা ৰেচপেক্টেড মিষ্টাৰ স্পিকাৰ ছাৰ দ্য মোশ্যন বিফোৰ দ্য হাউচ ইজ সান ৰাইজেছ ইন দ্য ইষ্ট এণ্ড আই ষ্ট্ৰংলি অপ'জ দ্য মোশ্যন তাতে কৈছে তাতে ভাবিছে মই ধেমালি কৰি আছোঁ পাল্টামি কৰি আছোঁ নো আই মিন ইট I still remember, all over India, my share person, people loved it. When the sun rises in the east, I strongly oppose the motion. Galileo proved, Copernicus proved. And we know, the sun is fixed. It does not rise at all. It is the earth that moves. How does sun rise in the east? মজাক কিমান জায়গা যে শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিছোঁ নহয় আৰু ষ্টুডেণ্ট আৰু টিচাৰ বিভিন্ন প্ৰগ্ৰামত শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিছে মজা কৰিবৰ কাৰণে সেইকেইদিন আগতে NEP কাৰণে পুणे ইউনিভাৰ্চিটি মই কৈছোঁ আরে বাপ্পা आप तो नया से प्रूव कर दिए हाँ कहाँ गलती बोला व्हाट कोपर्निकस प्रूव सन इज फिक्स्ड गैलीलियो फिक्स्ड दूरबीन डिसाइसिव तो हाउ कैन सन राइज द अर्थ दैट मूव्स लर्निंग ऑल रॉन्ग इंग्लिश मजा जस्ट मेकिंग फन ऑफ इट क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग when I did it, no, I didn't have this knowledge. And when I lecture on this, I remember that example. That is critical thinking. Should be encouraged to the students. Critical thinking should be encouraged. Give out a point, sare kosi hoi gol. No, think why. Moto student to ko. Unless you understand the concept, keep on asking your teachers and me also. Why sare? Tu moi buji paisu. I can write in the exam, but sir why? To some extent. Why? Critical and inside. Inside যাব লাগে creativity. There should be some creativity. The most important thing is not given in this. This is 5C actually. I have added one more. 6th one is very important. Student will also teacher student. 5 dia ase 6th one to episode humai disu. Caring. We have to care our students. We take care of our students. And what is creative teaching? Let us read something. The process of designing and strategizing instruction in such a way as to facilitate thinking skill, especially creative thinking skill among the students is called creative thinking. You teach in such a way that students are getting something just thinking at eye level. First to brush up their negativities from the mind. What people they face you can problem. So brush up and make them feel. Take in your hand and give it and encourage to think. I still remember. Sir, I am not criticizing anyone. I asked one professor, what university? He is not there now. So in my in-campus class, I have been my chartered accountancy at the same time, MCOM. So I went to class Sir, there are 5 heads of income: salary, house property, then business, capital gains, other sources. And again. Sir, if someone, I'm a student, if someone has stolen money, so where should it go? In which head of income? And that teacher insulted me in such a manner, I still remember. I thought, this road college is what job? I don't do like that. I'm not criticizing him. I respect. Kintu, we should encourage student. Yes, student question dia. There may be one problem. The student is asking question and I don't know the answer, so I'm in a false position. No. I am a learner. Who told you you're a teacher? Who told me I'm a teacher? I'm a learner. Today, tonight, I'll search it out and then tell you tomorrow. It's not that more and more encourage no. Let them go beyond my level. Teacher teaching creativity to enhance originality in thinking. Originality thinking korar ami chesta korbo laibo. Whatever topic you are teaching, whatever be your faculty or subject, doesn't matter. That thing is common for everybody. In a language class, you may be asked to, suppose in language class, example, more network more example mo diasu. Ratko mo the student question hoy, this my class ko. The American approach of accounting, debit credit, there are 5 accounts: asset, expense, asset, liability, capital, expense and revenue. Past ase. So maximum student na jana. If I ask you become student, they also don't know. No are to forgot. Ek more hikise then forgot. Then I teach. Na sobat koi beya student to blackboard ama. Pasta likhe disu, ei pasta. Tasu mo enke korao kono ase kora tipo kuisu mo. Asset and expense increase debit, baki sab ulta. And I don't teach anything. I just don't teach anything and bring the worst student in the class who feels worse, and you write the other things you write, and he can do it and she can do it. Asset and expense increase debit, baki sab ulta. Give them something to conclude themselves. Give them. Dunia lecture di gusi bolo ya koi bujhi na pare. Kono labh nai. I think, amar balba itu একটা হেৰি লাগে যে টিচাৰক কৈ আছো, don't think that we are equals, okay? So requires creative teaching হবলৈ গ'লে কি লাগিব? প্ৰথম লাগিব teachers level of motivation towards creativity. Do I love creativity or not, or just like a clerk can deliver lecture and go away? No. We should love creativity and thinking creativity, doing creatively. Teachers own level of creativity নিজৰো লাগিব, every time creating something. মই যদি কিবা নকৰো কেনে হ'ব? মোক দেখলে হি হ'ব. So I have to have a big responsibility that I have to do good things, creative things, so that they can follow me. Because when we are going to market or somewhere else, no, alone, you don't know who is following you. Who is following you, how are you dealing with the rickshaw puller, or how are you dealing with the person you are purchasing vegetable. Anyway. So we have to make up that also. Teachers' pedagogical experiences. This syllabus experiences, these things are essential for creative teaching. And Hazrat Muhammad's কথাটো ৰাতিপুৱা এইমাত্ৰ ক'লো, and বিবেকানন্দ বৈষ্ণৱৰ গল্পটো মই কৈ দিছোঁ. So let's go ahead. And steps to become creative teacher. Creative teacher হ'বলৈ গ'লে কি লাগে? Creative teacher হ'বলৈ হ'লে become a knowledgeable teacher. Whatever subject we are teaching, we should be regularly studying that. আমি নিজেও পঢ়িব লাগিব ৰেগুলাৰ, কিছুমানে নপঢ়ে. I still remember one teachers in BCom. Again, because you don't misunderstand. We learn from mistakes. So he used to give us notes of 1960. His notebook diary became yellow. He used to teach us economics. And he used to give note, every day coming give note, and give note, and give note. One day, still remember, I stood up. Sir, please, jodi apni duta line jodi hikai diye, sir. Please, sir, I don't focus it kori lo. He became very, angry with me. I said, sir, please, sir, duta line apni direct kokna. He will come and say, then, lika. And last minute, my real life of pura koi aso. Eto hoise. To ki hikibo student te tarpore jodi to bore hoye jabo to. Student bore hobo, I have no right to make him bore. So first thing, knowledgeable teacher, connect with, it's not that don't think I am a very knowledgeable person. No. More positivity will say, always I think I am not knowledgeable. Always I think I have to learn. It's more positivity. Acha, connect with the other teachers. We are doing it? We are connecting? How you teach, how she teach, discuss something that way, instead of teaching, sitting in the common room and জানেনে খালি মাগুর মাছ আনিছি আর মানে তেওতে বুঝি বললো মই আর কারেন বুঝি বললো কি মানে we do that talk wait okay wait listen only that much only জানেনে মানে কি হইছে আর তেও তো মানে নাখায় রাখি জানা আমাকে ঠিক করে মনে আইতে বলে আমি কেন করব these things are talking only this is something which you feel some problems with the students how to teach and something like that not criticizing, কিন্তু more feeling মই share কৰিছোঁ. So connect with the other teachers, become a collector of teaching ideas. মই কিন্তু চান্স পালে আপোনালোকৰ পৰা আইডিয়া লৈ ল'ম, কিন্তু চুৰ কৰি আপোনালোকে লেকচাৰ দিব আহক, মই ঠিক চুৰ কৰি ল'ম যিটো ল'ব লাগে লৈ ল'ম. And it's not that age is not a problem for me. I can learn from any age group. এইটো ভাল আৰু বস্তুটো. So become a collector of teaching ideas and share your learning to others. Whatever I'm talking, I'm sharing. It is not that I am Pandit and you are don't know anything. No. I am sharing. Now if anybody says, sir, you are wrong, you are not, I cannot agree. I learn from that. It's more subtle. Somebody told me, share or not, this is nobody asked me any question. I'm okay. Someone told me, I remember, I want to go rectify. So that is connect to the other teachers, which is essentially creative teaching, and remove the blocks of creative thinking. Sometimes some blocks come, you cannot think any. It's a blocker for যাব নোৱাৰো. ৰাতিপুৱা মানে কি এইটো যে চাহ দিছে আৰু ঠাণ্ডা দিছে, খাবই নোৱাৰিলো. I'm thinking that way. It's not thinking that way. You think something creative, you are not doing it. তো সেইটোৱে ভাবি আছো. এই মোৰ এটা ষ্টুডেণ্টে কৈছে, he went to Siliguri marriage party and some people were sitting there. জানেনে পায়কটো ইমান বঢ়িয়া হৈছে নহয়, আৰু অলপ যদি মিঠা হৈ গ'লেহেঁতেন নহয় খাব হ'লেহেঁতেন. আৰু কৈছে চিকেনটো ইমান ভাল হৈছে, আৰু অলপ নিমখ বেছি হ'লে কিন্তু মুখত দিব নোৱাৰিলেহেঁতেন. আৰু এটা this is talking going on. Creativity blocked. You cannot think anything else. আমি চাব statistics data কালেকশন কৰিবচোন. This types of talking বহুত সময় নষ্ট তাতে কৰিব. If you are a creative teacher or creative thinker, the block should be put off by some sort of mix and do something creativity and block and practice the creativity. নিজে প্র্যাকটিস করব, মই এভরিডে ক্রিয়েটিভিটি করব, এভরিডে করব. এতে মোৰ এটা ইউটিউবত গুছিয়ে গ'ল আগৰ লেকচাৰটো কৰি থাকোঁ. মইতো ইলিগলটো নহয়, মই লেকচাৰটো লৈ লৈছোঁ, এতিয়া মোৰ ৰেকৰ্ড কৰি আছে. মই চাম, মই শ্বেয়াৰ কৰি চাওঁ কৰি কি কৰে. If anybody says something negative, I'll learn from that. I'll not get angry. So practice creativity, start experimenting and reflecting own teaching. Whatever creativity you learn, now apply. Without application, all is meaningless. বহুত বস্তু দিছে, I don't apply. Research paper কৰিছোঁ, কিবা কৰিছোঁ, বহুত কিবা, I don't apply. So what's meaningless? It's a question of conversation. If you know that every 700 slokas of Bhagavad Gita and don't practice single one, it's all meaningless. At least you know 2 or 3 or 1 and practice it in life. Then it will be meaningful. That practice is said here, and make creativity daily goal. Creativity. Daily our creativity is a practice of ego. Then Einstein said ki, education is not learning facts and training the mind. Only training the mind. Mind training korakwe. We and me are not doing anything. Whatever taught, we're training their mind on some topic. Just training their mind on some topic. See, for there, listen in the morning. Your mother has sent a child to the road first time. Because if there's red light, you stop. If the green light, you move out. So got the knowledge, you went. And on that day when the child went to the road, there is no connectivity of electricity. Neither red nor green. So what he should do? The knowledge which is taken is essential but cannot help him if he does not think himself creativity. He doesn't train his mind. So whatever we teachers think, there's a particular limit only. But beyond that, we should encourage them to make yourself. That's what the project is. Project is a big high secondary. Gently, go play, you learn from the practical field. And we are not with them. They will learn, they will collect, and they will do something. So that was about baby. We have to give the innovation. And what Plutarch is 46 to 120. Come on, Agor. The mind is not a vessel where you put everything. Just red light, green light, to mother say. There's a knowledge. You put only knowledge. It's a word that needs igniting. That's a word that question. To ignite the mind. How can you ignite the mind? That ignition of the mind is part and parcel of teaching. And 2 things তার কারণে লাগে, দুটা ভাল পোৱা বস্তু লাগে. 2 loves are there. The teacher loves the subject and teacher loves the students. Anything missing, you cannot do it. দুটা বস্তু ভাল পাব লাগিব টিচিঙত. You love your subject. ভালেই নালাগে, একাউন্ট বৰ লাগে, কেনেকৈ কৰাম, বৰিং একদম. কোন লেকচাৰ মানে কমন গুচি গ'ল মাগুৰ মাছ খাবৰ কাৰণে গ'ল আৰু বৰিং লাগে একদম, কৰাব নোৱাৰোঁ আৰু কি লাভ হ'ল. But you are appointed for that. Salary mo kuha na. Don't ask about salary. It's not a salary class. but you are a teacher sufficient. Vivekananda said that 1 crore পূর্ণ করলে ভারতবর্ষ জন্ম হয়, এটা ইন্ডিয়ান বাহিৰৰ মানুহ কয়, আৰু 1 crore পূর্ণ করলে টিচাৰৰ চাকৰি পায় বা টিচাৰ হয় এনে কৈছে। সো কিমান পূৰ্ণ কাৰণ আমি টিচাৰ হৈছোঁ। You know, I went to South Korea in 2019 or June. তাতে মই বডি বিল্ডিঙৰ কাৰণে গৈছিলোঁ, জানে তাতে বডি বিল্ডিঙৰ জানে খালী গাত ৰং কৰিব লাগে, কালাৰ কৰিব জানে, তাৰপিছত শ্ব' হয়। তো ডিফাৰেণ্ট কাণ্ট্ৰিৰ মানুহ আহিছে। তো মাই হবি since my childhood days, anybody coming from foreign country ask which country you come from. So in the green room, all of my age group, I asked which country you coming from. One said I'm from America. Which country you come from? I am from Australia, like that. And 10-15 people were there. And last they asked me which country. They called me. Which country you are coming from? I said I'm from India. Dear friends, the moment I said I'm from India, all of them shouted, "Oh, India! Such a great country, spiritual country, love India." কিয় বলে তো পরপুর আহিলে তো এটো আইছে পেট্রো পড়া একটা শ্লোক আছে মই শেয়ার করব, আপনারা সবাই জানে কিন্তু পরম নিজ পরবে কি গণনা লোভ চেতে সাম উদার চেতে নানান্ত বসুধৈব কুটুম্বকম। সেইটো লৈছে আমাৰ G20 বসুধৈব কুটুম্বকম। এও আমাৰ নিজৰ মানুহ, এও আমাৰ বেলেগৰ মানুহ, ইণ্ডিয়াতে কেতিয়াও কৰা নাই। India উদার বসুধৈব মানে whole world is our own. So এই publicity all over the world, because you go to any other country in India, you see how much respect you get. Exception মই নাজানো, এটা চুৰে তোমাৰ পকেট মাৰ কৰিব এইটো মই নাজানো, কিন্তু ইণ্ডিয়াৰ যিটো নাম আছে বস্তুটো, সেই বস্তুটো বসুধৈব কুটুম্বকৰ কাৰণে আছে। That's the publicity. So we should love our subject, we should love our students, and only then we can go ahead. And 5 P's of creative teaching, I shared with the students 5 P's of creative learning. Same thing I talk with the students. See the 5 P's, same thing মই দিছোঁ, তাতে লাৰ্ণিং লিখিছিলোঁ ৰাতিপুৱা, আৰু এইটো হৈছে টিচিং 5 P's. এই 5 P's very very important. You can write a research paper on this 5 P's of creative teaching also. And a very beautiful research paper, not only commerce student, any student, I mean any branch of teachers. You can write something on that also. Maybe research paper, maybe in local newspaper, or maybe anywhere. You can study for yourself also. So what is 5? Perception. First we must have perception. মই টিচার বাট মই একটা সাবজেক্ট না জানো, হোল্ডিং কোম্পানি very tough thing, commerce student no, holding company মই না জানো, and I'm not trying to learn it, but telling the other colleagues I am not comfortable, you do it. এটা হয়ে থাকে এই অ্যাকাউন্টস মধ্যে দেখিস, I am not comfortable holding company, you do it, I'll do branch. The steps of attack, in one paper only division maybe there is very good division of labor, but I don't know it and don't learn it. No perception, not trying for that. Cannot be a good teacher. How can it be? I am a teacher, I am ready to teach everything. If I cannot, I shall learn it, because I am a learner also. That perception lage, then I have also to practice. Something. Nijo গানৰ টিচার বিলাকে রেগুলার রিভার্স করে, গানৰ টিচার রেগুলার রিভার্স করে, নিজে রিভার্স করে এটা পার্টিকুলার টাইমত। I am connected to a lot of new teachers. They could তারা যদি রিভার্স করে থাকে, বা নহলে পড়াবো নহলে ঠিক না থাকে। ঠিক গানের টিচার যদি they do রিয়াজ every day, we English teacher we should learn everything, something we accounts we should learn something. So practice and perseverance. If you do not perseverance, what to জানেই টিচার বেশি কম লাগে, and passion is the most important thing. 2-3টা কেস মই দেখিলো অলপতে অসমতে দিছে মানি ষ্টুডেণ্ট গৈছে কোৰ্টত থানাত এই হৈ আছে, আৰু কোনোবা এটা এদিন ধৰি দিছে ষ্টুডেণ্টক, পেচেঞ্চ নাই, খং উঠি গৈছে, আৰে কিয় উই আৰ হেভিং so much of angry. One of a teacher, he was in Guwahati Commerce College, he died in some accident. তেখেতৰ পৰা এটা বস্তু মই শিকিছোঁ, তেখেতে চাৰে চিৰিবই কৃষ্ণকান্ত কলিতা প্ৰফেচৰ ফিনান্সৰ চাৰি শুনিছে চাৰি, কৃষ্ণকান্ত কলিতা ছাৰে মোক কৈছে এবাউট এংগাৰ. What is anger? I still remember. He said, you should be angry, you must be angry. But with students, this must be only in acting. Obhinoy. Student people are angry, khong kore mechu obhinoy kori. Asol to noy. The moment you are angry, you are defeated. In everything, the teacher is teaching is not an exception. In anything and everything, moi bujabo na lage jane. Jod mane khong kori kiba loise golbor korise. And in teaching class and getting angry, why should I get angry? Hey, মনে মনে থাকিবা একদম পানিশমেন্ট দিম, তো খং নহয় তো সবাই মনে মনে থাকিবা একদম কান ধরে থিয় করে, মই কওঁ যে কোনো একটা কথা পাইছে একদম চুপচাপ থাকিব, আমি ইয়াতে কান ধরে থিয় করে, তাৰপিছত কথা পাতিছে নতুন ষ্টুডেণ্ট দুটো টানে কান ধরে থিয় করে দিলোঁ, আকৌ বহাই দিব, ঠাণ্ডা মই খং কৰিছোঁ, বাট দেট ইজ নট ৰিয়েল এংগাৰ, সেইটো মৰমৰ এংগি। I mean, real angry we got defeated as a teacher, not only as a teacher, as a player, as everything. So passions and ultimately your subject should be your passion. Passion. Your subject, your passion. Subject should be your passion. Make it and then you become a creative teacher. This example I told you, that red light and green light, and features of modern teaching technique all of last for you. Modern teaching technology you may sound, focus. It may be NEP, it may be anything, it may be beyond NEP, it may be whatever doing. So focus on the learner. We have to focus on the learner. With the Guwahati University syllabus, I was a member of the committee, Guwahati University BCom syllabus. So in that committee, that is not implemented ultimately, but we have decided, not me, we all have decided, there should be 50 marks in the BCom syllabus for either music, singing, or dancing, or say yoga, or bodybuilding, or kiba extracurricular football, and like 50 marks. We made it. Ultimately, sir, it will implement Corona and policy. So we did it. Why? We need perfect person. Holistic. That is holistic meaning everything included there should be. The Pandit will take a Sanskrit about Pandit in the Randhuna. They want to purchase ghee. 3 Pandits were there. They want to purchase ghee. Then they thought, oh, question whether ghee is in the glass or glass is in the ghee. And 3 persons were getting confused. Then one person said, okay, prove it. इसमें क्या है? घी में glass और glass में घी. So they did this. Every knowledge but not practical knowledge. Even Union Budget 2023, you can see, এটা তো বহুত প্রচার হয়েছে এই কি বিশ্বকর্মা আছে এটো প্রজেক্ট বিশ্বকর্মা নাকি এটা মোদিজি কইছে বিশ্বকর্মা মানে you have to give importance to those people who fix electricity and all these things, vocational people. So everything is little bit necessary. So national education policy যেটা আছে, along with your own studies, you study other things also as far as practicable. That is choice based. Choice. This is within your subject you study other things also. And I've not mentioned here, but found it, studied it. Even whatever your hobby, you can put in your subject somehow. Punch it when you teach. Use it. As I used debit the receiver, debit the giver, like the debitor comes in account receipt. I made it strong and then remember, comes in, debit, goes or credit. And the rule is debit what comes in, credit what goes in the book. And my book, made it here. Funnily, making fun of the thing so that you remember. And they don't have to write in exam, but to remember, comes in, debit, goes or credit. Most students, if you remember. So, activity based and task based. We have given the project newly started, utilizing the resources, teaching. But I don't know WhatsApp, I don't know online teaching. It's not allowed in modern time. Even school tiny closing they must know what is Google Meet and other things, Zoom and other things. Have to. If a teacher who is retiring stage, time but learning never ends. Learning never ends. When I say 80 plus people also learning internet and other things. They're learning now, 80 plus people. So what's the problem? So, but we stop because retirement basic back in what should we learn it? So that is utilizing resources. If you can learn on the utilize the resources, online resources, natural systems that are interactive and integrated. That system interactive. And cross-group cooperation. Cross-group cooperation. There should be cooperation group. That is very much done NEP by our council in 2 projects. That is very much done these things. And very first, let us go. Focus on learner needs, modern teaching practice prioritize students' needs and thought process, making them active participants in the learning process. You take students into the learning process and teaching process. Otherwise, it will be not effective. It will be teaching but not creative teaching. That activity-based means those methods encourage hands-on activities and tasks, engage students, facilitate practical understanding. Hand-on, let them do it. Like in certain education, like computer and all, they do it themselves. And other things, as far as possible, let them do themselves. And utilizing resources. Modern teaching leverages various, including technology. Technology is essential element of modern teaching technology. Must natural system. It is a real world scenario. Encourage interactive learning. Interactive learning. It will be free. If I create a barrier of fear between the teacher and student, then they will not be asking me anything. But be free. Let them ask. ask. Doesn't matter if you don't know. Search, find, give. That thing is wanted in the modern. Otherwise, student will go against you. They'll leave your institution, go to some other institution. Very simple. And cross-group collaboration. That collaboration necessary. First thing, teamwork, cultural understanding. Teamwork. I always say in project also we have introduced teamwork. We can give a topic to a group of students. They will be working in a team and they will be collaborating with the cultural understanding of basic culture. There's not a particular subject. For all subjects, cultural undertakings, it has to be there. Cultural undertakings. And modern technology, inquiry-based learning. Methodology, inquiry-based learning, problem-based learning, competency-based learning, project-based learning, and collaborative learning. Already it's repeated. So thank you very much. This was what I thought to share with you. Now, if we want to discuss, anything, hope you like it. I just presented for you, and maybe you know it better than me also. This was the presentation. Thank you very much. Now we can have some discussion. We can have discussion if you like. We shall discuss it Saturday. Thank you very much. All the best.